Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. You are utilizing this time in a productive way. As I told you earlier that we will start new topic, that is the triangles, and our last topic was the areas related to circle. There were some questions which were left as home assignment for you, which were supposed to do by you of your own. I hope you all will go through them, and if you still find any difficulty in any question, please let me know that. So to start the triangle, first of all, you should have the idea about the congruence. Congruence is very important. So in today's video lecture, we will do some basics. We will discuss some basics regarding the congruence of the triangles, because it will help us a lot in proving the theorems, in doing some textual questions, and it will also it will be utilized in, I guess, further topics if any concept which has to be supposed to read here. So I know you have read it about in your previous classes congruence, but today's video lecture, it is just the recapitulation of that concepts. And after this completion of this chapter, after this lecture, regarding the recapitulation of basics, we will just start our topic, that is the similarity of the triangles. Actually, there is one theorem, that is the first theorem, that is Thales theorem. You know it. We will give the proof of that theorem. So what is congruence? Congruence is very important, and from the congruence, today we will discuss what is difference between similar and congruence. Congruence is two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if we can if we can superimpose them upon each other, they can fit each other. For example, if we have a triangle ABC, and another triangle PQR, these geometrical figures are designed in such a way, if we put this triangle on this triangle or this triangle on this triangle, they will fit upon each other without bending and twisting. You have to put this triangle on this or vice versa. So whenever this property happens to any geometrical figures, not necessarily triangles, any geometrical figures, we say these two geometrical figures are congruent. But here we have to deal with the triangles, so we will read about the triangles only. So we can say a triangle is said to be, there are some actually we can say a triangle is also a triangle is also a geometrical figure. We can say that if we lift one triangle and try to fit it another triangle, put it another, it will exactly fit with another triangle. They will fit upon each other, but we have to do it without bending and twisting. Now later we have to prove that two triangles are congruent. There are some rules. You know it if you have gone through these rules. These are very, very important, that rules. One rule is ASA. So it states that if we have a triangle, and if two angles of one triangle and included side is equal to two angles of another triangle and included side of another triangle, then triangles are similar. That is, if angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, then we say that if angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, and there's a side in line between them, that is AB and PQ, so we say that these triangles are congruent, and this concept is known as ASA. Another concept is SAS. This is reverse of this. Now SAS is what? It is another type of congruence. It states that we have two sides and included angle. So for example, if we have AB equals PQ, AC equals PR, and which angle is included between the two sides? Here it is angle A and angle P. That is, we will write AB equals PQ and AC equals PR and angle A equals angle P. Whenever this criteria happens, we name it criteria known as SAS, side angle side. You have to here, you can only say that SAS whenever angle is included between the side. You can you can tell ASA only when the side is between the two included angle. You cannot choose randomly any angle here. For example, you will say angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, and choose any side AB equals PQ, but that is the not case. That by that criteria, that is also congruent. We name that criteria AAS. Any two angles and sides, that criteria is known as AAS. But most of the cases we see, we make the triangles congruent with the help of these three congruence. I hope you will get it. These were some basic concepts regarding this congruence. If you still find any difficulty and have any confusion regarding these concepts, please let me know that. These are the very basics. You know it very well. Go through it, just recapitulate these concepts so that it will ease our work in studying the similar triangles. This is very important. This is basic, you already know it. Today's video lecture was just the recapitulation of the congruence and what is the similar triangles and what is the difference between similar triangles and congruent triangle. This will be discussed in the next video lecture. Hope you will get it. Thank you, class.